How to share YouTube links with timestamps on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can share YouTube links with timestamps on Android. So let's just go right into the video and find out how to do it. So for that, you need to open up your YouTube first and locate up the video that you may want to share. For example, let's say this is the video. Once you have selected the video, all you need to do is you can find a share option here. You can look up for this option, which is right here. After that, copy the link. Once you copy the link, you can just go ahead and then open up any app, for example, Messenger. Once that is done, select the person to whom you want to share it. After that, paste the link there. And once you pasted the link, before sending it, you need to go ahead and type and t is equal to, and you need to type the time but in seconds. So for example, some 360 seconds, you can just go ahead and type that. After that, tap send and wait for the send to be completed. Once that is done, go ahead and open up the link, and when you do that, you should be finding the video playing from 360 seconds. So that is how you share YouTube links with timestamps on Android, following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.